Maayong gabi kayong tanan. Hi! Hello! At 50 celebration. Ayan, palapakan natin ang ating celebrant, no?
This means that God be gracious unto you. Grace is an unmerited favor of God. It is undeserved and uncaused in the recipient. It is the basis of all God's blessing. It means ultimate manifestation of God's grace, and the Word was made flesh.
I'm on the top of the world, looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I've found ever since you've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world.
City government sa Iligan. Actually, Chris, I've known him for many years.
And sa mga surprise, aping gila ako nga ano siya pag second birthday ni Uzi, Johnny Bira na, magwala tayong mascot. So, wala ko nga simple lang celebration.